Hi all! Let's talk about the VMTek virtual machine in details, how it all works. Go! This one has already deleted these virtual machines. There's simply no space on my Mac computer. We are greeted by this window. You can change the external view. That is, we click on the plus sign and what do we see? Create a virtual machine. For example, let's just create a virtual machine. Linux platform or other. Give me another one. Configuration. Processor and memory. We all know that Apple Silicon Mac uses unfiled memory. There is a combined RAM and video memory on Crystal on a chip. I take it for stable work. I do it like this. I take memory. Exactly half. Storage. Create a new disk or use an existing one. Click Create New and select how much space we will need. Let's say 40 gigabytes is enough, and our network is already installed. Further, customize configuration before installation. That is, before installation. Let's open New Virtual Machine. Configuration. The name of the operating system will be written here. That is, MacOS, Linux, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, doesn't matter. The platform is Linux or MacOS. Architecture and installation date. Automatically start the virtual machine when opening. That is, it all starts automatically virtual machine when VMTek is open. That is, her self-program. Basically everything. Meta, it just supports. CPU, we spoke. Display, resolution. That is, this is permission. We choose. Use Retina display resolution. That is, we put if we have Retina. Sound, this is the sound setting. Turn on/off microphone sound. This is our mouse. Keyboard, net, disks, which can be added. That is, you can simply add. And also integration. This is folder browsing and clipboard. That is, this is such a simple topic, not particularly complicated. As for VMTek, basically, overall, it's all quite interesting. Here's the look. Immediately adjust the settings. This is ours. If there are many virtual machines, they're in via connection, snapshots. That is, we take snapshots from one virtual machine. Let's delete this and download some Linux. Let's Kali Linux. We immediately create a virtual machine. Windows, unfortunately, not supported. Unfortunately, all. Now we have Kali Linux downloaded. Let's wait a little. The virtual machine starts and we click graphical install. That is, we're trying to install. It doesn't matter. I don't choose any of this. I'm just used to the English language. Here we have the installation. Network configuration. This is the computer name. Let's write everything. Installation of components. We use the disk. As we see, everything is working. Like, subscription, comments. Bye everyone.